Alright guys, welcome to Tech Nostalgia. Today we're talking about BlackBerry Classic. It's a very beautiful phone with a QWERTY keypad, and without wasting any time, let's get into it. Back in 2014 when iPhone came out with their iPhone 6, BlackBerry came out with their BlackBerry Classic. That was a very classic move. Want me to complete the setup, so we'll ignore it. And so this phone is very cool. So using this phone in 2024, first of all, it don't support 5G, so my SIM card don't work on it. It will not support your network, so you only have to use it on Wi-Fi. This still has a BlackBerry hub that is a very convenient feature for the phone. But first we'll talk about some specs about this phone. It has a 3.5-inch display, and it's a touch screen, and it has a power and lock button on top, and it locks and unlocks the phone. And it has a QWERTY keypad. It has that cancel. It has the trackpad where you can scroll between the apps and inside the apps also. And then on one side it has SIM card tray and SD card holder, and then on top it has 3.5mm jack, when back then it was still trending. And on the other side there's a volume button and a random button in between. I have to see what it does. Guess it does nothing. Let's see. Oh, it takes you to
Welcome to the BlackBerry Assistant.
Takes you to
Before
Black.
you get started, read these helpful hints and accept the end-user license agreement.
Okay, let's accept it. So it's a BlackBerry Assistant now. So now we have BlackBerry Assistant now. Okay, let's see. Tap to talk. Set an alarm for 6 a.m.
Can't connect to the voice server. Please try again.
Of course, it won't internet. So at the bottom it has that USB mini charger, one speaker grill, one mic grill, and in the back it has a 8 megapixel camera, and in the front it has a 2 megapixel camera, but not a very good one. So the cameras are not the best, but it was good according to the time. It of course has a pinch to zoom and a digital zoom. You can zoom in. Let's talk about the software a little bit. It has a BlackBerry OS 10. This operating system can run Android apps. So when you swipe from left to right, there's your BlackBerry hub. Then you can see all kinds of BlackBerry messages, calls, emergency, PBM, or any kind of notifications. And once you swipe left, then there are all kind of apps there. So they have navigation and docs to go to. It has BBM installed in it. They have removed the service for it, so you can't make it run anymore. So then they have a story maker, maps. The cool thing about this is it is a touchscreen phone. You can open an app and then just press the home screen, press the end key, that'll take you to home screen, and there's all the multitasking. Or you can open an app and then just swipe up and it'll take you to the multitasking. That's a very cool feature that BlackBerry came up with, and you can open up like as many applications as there, and then you can close them all by pressing cross on each and every one. Also, you swipe down, it's the control center now. There are all the quick access buttons where you can access just quick shortcuts. It will not connect to a lot of the apps because the app support is no longer supported. So half of the apps won't work because of the support problem, and the apps that will work will be very slow and very laggy. I managed to run Spotify on it, but it was still very slow. And it's good for basic emailing and just browse around the web browser, but after a point it says the certificate now it is not verified. So there's not a lot you can do on these phones, but it's a very cool phone to have in public and show it to your friends that yes, you still have one of those. If you want to see more videos like this, comment what phone you want to see. I'll try to arrange it for you and make a video about it. and subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, like it, let me know how was it, and thanks for watching the video.